We have watched hundreds upon hundreds of Tesla full self-driving beta videos, but it was really not as bad as they showed in the recent CNN FSD drive video shot in New York. The owner of the Tesla Model 3 that was used for the shoot said he recorded what happened on his phone from the back seat. He said the drive was similar to others that we've seen. He shot the footage just in case they put FSD in a bad light, which in his experience of being a beta tester was unfair. CNN portrayed FSD as a glitchy, unreliable and scary experience. The car at the wheel was a bit too aggressive sometimes, but not as bad as CNN showed it. The owner said that he believes this is a great example of how a mainstream media outlet can cherry-pick certain segments of footage, edit everything together specifically to fit a predetermined narrative and then present that as reality. Let us know what you make of this, especially if you yourself are in the FSD beta program.